Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be talking about the OEM cartridge replacement for the 520 clean and clear filter. So here these guys are. They're pretty big. One of the first things you're going to notice when you pull it out is that sometimes it says Pentair on the filter, sometimes it does not. So it doesn't always need to say that for it to be a Pentair OEM filter. If it's coming in this box, you're getting the Pentair OEM filters. The part number for the 520 clean and clear is 179136. If you do have dirty filters and you replace them with new ones, you're just going to notice a huge increase in water flow. Pool is going to be cleaner. Everything's going to do so much better with getting these 520 OEMs in. And the great thing about these two is that they're budget friendly. They're not crazy expensive. They're not going to break the bank. We'll ship them to you. When we do ship them to you, something you'll notice is that we've cut open the box and we put your paperwork inside and retaped it up. So the only reason that box, that seal's broken is because of the paperwork inside. But other than that, these are great filters, you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great rest of the day.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.